were you born? I was born on the 21st of July in 1988. Where did you spend your holiday last year? I spent it at home. Where were you yesterday? I was at home all day. Where's Renee? She's gone to bed. She's in bed now. Will it be hot tomorrow? I think so, yes. Will you be coming to the party? I hope so. Are Isitor and Sandra here? No, they haven't arrived yet. Are you hungry in the morning? No, I have no appetite in the morning. Can you lend me some money? Sorry, I haven't got any. Do you have a private collection of books? I have a large private collection of books. Do you know what this thing is? No, I don't. Do you like staying at home? Yes. Do you mind if I open the window? No, not at all. Do you play sports? No, I used to swim every day though. Do you want me to turn on the light? No, leave the light off. Have you bought a new calendar? Yes, I have. How long does it take to get there? It takes about an hour by bus. How long have you been working here? For 4 months. How many days in advance do you book your ticket? I book my railway ticket 40 days in advance. How many places have you traveled to? I visited all the provinces throughout my country. How was the party? It was a good time. I'm sorry I'm late. I forgot your address. That's all right. Is the street traffic intensive in your street? Yes, the traffic is very intensive in our street. May I see your passport? Certainly, here you are. Shall I put some music on? No, let's watch a movie. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. When did Noboru leave? He left 10 minutes ago. When do you usually go shopping? I usually go shopping on Saturdays. Where are the children? They're playing in the park. Where do you spend your holiday? We spend our holiday in a small village. Where's the newspaper? It's on the chair. Will you take your daughter to a puppet show? I will take my daughter to a puppet show on Sunday. Are you going to buy the fur coat? No, I have not decided yet. Are you ready for shopping now? Yes, but a little later. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you very clearly. Can you repeat that, please? Sure, no problem. Do you want to lose all your money? Of course not. Do you work or study? I work. Have you ever been to South Korea? Yes, once. How do you feel? Thank you, much better. How long have you known each other? Since childhood. How often do you play computer games? It's usually 2 or 3 hours a day. How often do you travel? Several times a year. How old are you? I'm 21 years old. Is it going to be sunny today? No, the forecast says it is going to be rainy. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. The sleeves of the suit are too long, aren't they? Yes, the sleeves of the suit are too long. What are the best hotels of your city? There are many good hotels in our city. What day of the week are we having? It's Tuesday today. What have you been up to lately? Mostly studying. What kind of clothing would you put on if it is 25 degrees below zero? I shall put on my fur coat and boots. What's this made of? I think of clay. What's your mother tongue? Spanish. Where's the closest restaurant? There's one over there.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.